Carbon monoxide. So we always recommend to anybody with a wood burning stove or really a fireplace in their home to have it checked annually, just to make sure that it's clear of debris all the way as the smoke leaves the home. And then of course making sure that the air trap is open so that that air can safely leave outside. Any unburned wood and any unburned fuel is what creates carbon monoxide, and of course is a gas that is very deadly. It's called the invisible killer because it doesn't smell like anything. You can't hear it, you can't see it, and essentially you're just not going to wake up if it is leaking into your home.